Okay, hello people, and now today in this video, I want us to we dive into one of the core concepts in the C programming language, pointers. And now pointers might seem a bit confusing initially, but once you grasp the concept, they become an invaluable tool in your programming arsenal. So let's break it down with some real examples to make it easier to understand. So let's start with what are pointers? What are pointers? So pointers are they are memory addresses, or they are variables that store memory addresses. And think of them as signposts that tell you where something is stored in the computer's memory. They point directly to the location of another variable. So let's see how they work with an example of finding the largest element in an array. So let's create a function, a program. Now let's include include stdio standard input output library, then main method. So let our array be numbers. Let's have numbers 12, 5, 4, 3, 2, 8, 9, 4, 5. We'll create a function that will find the largest number in the array. And this array using pointers. So we'll have a function, we call it function, find largest, to take two arguments, the pointer array and the size of the array. Then what first we do? Let's initialize the largest number. Let's comment it. Initialize marks the first element of the array. Then using a for loop for int I is equals to 1, I is less than size I plus plus. Then we want to compare the values using pointers. So here we do if mark array, that pointer is greater than marks, then we want to update our marks to be that. Mm, then we return the max number. So that was the file. This function should be on its own. Yeah, so in our main method, what we do is just we have the size. We make use of this function size of numbers, then divide by size of numbers into largest. Goes to our function, find largest, then numbers and size. Then you can print largest number in the array is percentage %d. Okay, let's format our code using code blocks. Okay, now let's do a breakdown. Go through this code. One, this function in find largest, it takes a pointer to the array. There is a pointer to the array and its size as parameters. Now, and we are initializing the max with the value at the memory location pointed by array, which is the first element of the array. So in our array, since it's 12, so at this point it will point to 12. Okay, then it loops through the array comparing each element using pointer arithmetic. This one using pointer arithmetic, and we are updating this max if a larger element is found. Finally, we return the largest number. Okay, let's run this one. I'm using code blocks, so once you save it, you can use F9, and this is what we get. The largest number is 54. That's not true. Let me see if I've made an error. Oh, yes, 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 yes. This should not be 1, this should be I. Run it again. Oh, yes, now it's making sense. It's 89. There was an error here. Okay, now, so why are pointers important? They allow us to work different directly with memory, which can significantly enhance the performance and flexibility of our programs. And they are fundamental in tasks like dynamic memory allocation, passing function as arguments, and building complex data structures. Remember, mastering pointers might take some practice, but once you get the hang of them, they'll become an essential part of your programming toolkit. So I encourage you to do a lot of practice, and you'll get used to it. You'll get to know there is always a problem getting started with pointers. Most people have a challenge, but once you get the hook of it, then you are good to go. So that's an introduction to pointers in C. Experiment with these concepts, practice, and don't hesitate to explore more about pointers. They are a crucial part of mastering the C programming language. So thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to, like and hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you, and see you next time.